Yeah, peeps, so we finally arrived at the Animal Flower Caves. And this is a cave in St. Lucie in Barbados. Alright, so yeah, I'm showing you that now. We're gonna head down there. I'm not try to get into these caves.
Mom, you guys are ready? Yeah, brother. Ah, não, ali embaixo. Lá pra baixo ali. Yeah, he said he's gonna get the put some more on in there and put it there.
Alright guys, so we are exploring the Animal Flower Caves. But before I go down into the caves, let me show you these cannons right here. There's a lot of history in Barbados, as I told you before. These were cannons that were used to defend. I think there was a fort here, I'm not sure, but that's what it seems like. There's a restaurant down there. And this is a very fantastic view. Wow. now we get to this fantastic view over here. Like, this is so amazing, guys. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Guys, this is really fascinating. It's called the Animal Flower Cave in St. Lucie, Barbados. And this is amazing.
You guys know what you have here is a natural cave, okay? This cave is all naturally formed by the ocean. The cave was discovered in 1747, depth for the 1912. As we go through there, you get a bit slippery, so take your time, watch your steps, okay? So always be careful with some of the rocks that put you over and some, okay? Follow me this way. Come on. Here, the water's a bit low. Don't bump your head here.
Ja, dat is het goed grappig.
Ja, een handtekening. Ja.
Ja, hoger?
Come to the left. Yeah. How much for it all the time?
Up here?
Okay. clear up. The next one is going to be back. Okay, guys, here's the point. So that's the most northern point of the island. That's the point over here of the Atlantic. And when it's really rough, the water can come right into the cave. For some reason, you get the water going up the stairs. You normally close it. When it's down, when it's at the top, it comes into the water. The water goes up 40 feet down. What we let them can get some nice pictures of our point of the Atlantic.
Come.
Guys, look here, the water. Look here, the water. There's a bit of what what's going on the floor. Pushing in the water, an enemy, for touching the frozen to protect themselves. But once they open their feeding, they put the feed on plant and water. So there's some young ones, they'll keep them closed.
Oh, yeah.
Alright? So what this here, I'm going to show you a hand formation that you go to the swimming pool. Now if you look here, you see the hand. See it? You have meditate. This is natural formation or natural done by the ocean. What you hand up, you might control the whole game, right? Alright? Go down inside. What your head is.
People swim in there?
I don't know.
I know that all the rocks were like made like rock towers.
Right here, this is our natural swimming pool. This part of the pool is about 8 feet. That little rock overhanging is all rock to the bottom. Nice for swimming. You care boy want to have a swim or park and do so, you can take some more nice pictures, right?
It looks like the water comes in.
No, come back this way. Come back this side.
Yeah, man. Well, listen, man. Got it.
Be careful your head there, right?
Went to one eye steps.
Yeah, right.
Blessed Rasta, see it?